This quick and easy baked beans recipe, y'all, is one you'll want to make all summer long. It's so easy. You're just going to take half an onion, half a bell pepper, chop those up, and add it to a little oil in a skillet. Saute the onions first till like they're a golden brown, kind of caramelized, and then you're just going to simply add in your bell pepper and saute those till they're nice and tender. You might want to add a little oil, and you're just going to give those a good stir and let those soften until they're tender. And then you'll want to add about a pound to a half pound of ground beef, and brown your ground beef. And you can go ahead and just drain off some of that hamburger fat with a little paper towel if you like. Some people choose to leave that in there. It's optional, of course. And then whatever brand of baked beans you like, this is the Great Value brand, but any kind of baked beans will do. I use the brown sugar and maple flavor, and then an original baked beans. And you're just going to incorporate the baked beans into the ground beef. And y'all, you literally will want to make this all summer for a side dish. It goes great at a barbecue. And look, they even have a little piece of bacon in those baked beans. And so then just go ahead and transfer your bell pepper and sauteed onions back into the ground beef and baked beans mixture. And oh my goodness, don't forget to add a little A1 sauce if you have it on hand. It's optional, of course, but it's going to give it a little bit of zestiness. And of course, you're going to want to add your favorite flavor of barbecue sauce, probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and just blend that in really well. This gives it such a good flavor. It's optional, of course. And take it from me, add about a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Trust me, it is delicious in any kind of beef recipe you make. It really, really takes it up a notch. And if you have bacon bits on hand, these are real bacon pieces. Don't use imitation. Or you could fry up some bacon and chop it and add it to this recipe. But the bacon is really going to make it so much more delicious. And you can actually serve it straight from the pan, as you see there, but you can bake it, as I did for my recipe. Preheat your oven to about 400 degrees and bake it for about 30 minutes. I did a side of Texas toast, and y'all, this is so delicious. It goes great with grilled chicken, ribs, anything that you have, hot dogs, hamburgers. These barbecue baked beans is the quick and easy side dish that you'll want to have at your next barbecue. And I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday weekend. Don't forget to grab you a watermelon and enjoy some watermelon this holiday season. We've got 4th of July coming up. You'll want to add this recipe to your menu. Have a wonderful Independence Day, and I hope you'll come back and watch another video coming up soon. Let me know if you make these baked beans. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm so happy you're here, and have a wonderful weekend.